Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Unboxing Time at the Ramen Raider. This is the show where I show you what comes in the mail. And today we've got something from the United States. This is a package from a fella named James in Lakeside, California. He has sent me countless boxes of varieties that I haven't had the chance to try yet. So let's crack it open and see what we got in here. Oh, cool. Well, there's some neat stuff in here, so let's just get to it. So first off, we've got a snack noodle, and this one's from Oyatsu. This is the Baby Star Artificial Tonkatsu flavor. Basically, what you got here is a noodle that you just crack the bag open and start scarfing it down, and this one tastes like tonkatsu. Cool. And then here's another Baby Star variety. This is the garlic flavor. I haven't seen this one before. And then here's a yakisoba iteration in the mix. And here's one I actually tried recently. This is the Paldo Tumse Dokboki, and this is really good. Is this a cheese one? I don't think so. It could be. No, this is just the Tumse Dokboki. Really good stuff. Yeah, I'm so far ahead in reviews. It's like I need to go run in with people and go, hey, I have had this one or that one, but definitely going to enjoy some more dokboki. Thank you. And then we have a couple of varieties that I've been really excited to try. People have been clamoring about them on the Ramen Junkies group on Facebook. If you want to join, head on over to Facebook, type in Ramen Junkies, and you'll find us. So check it out, the new Shin Green from Nongshim. This is the mushroom and tofu variety. I have no idea what to expect. It's vegan. I'll either like it or I won't, but generally I'm not the fan that a lot of people are of Shin Ramyun. I love it, but it's not one that I had and then stopped reviewing or trying things that so many have, you know. They try Shin red or black and they're like, oh, I don't need any more. I don't need to try anything else. So I'm not that way, as you probably can guess after doing 4,000 plus reviews, but yeah, I'm definitely keen on trying this one, thanks. And then another one, this is the Shin Gold with chicken broth. I don't see it mentioning bone broth, but I wouldn't be surprised if it is. On the sides of these, they mention Shin Black Class. So I'm guessing this has more sachets than you would normally see in, say, like Shin Red. There could be an extra sachet in here. That's my guess. I don't know. Maybe the noodle's different. But yeah, sounds pretty interesting. Well, a big thanks to James from Lakeside, California. Dude, awesome. I really appreciate it. I can't find these anywhere, and I haven't been able to raise any communication with the company. And these I've never seen. So, and this I'm going to probably have for dinner. Cool. All right. Well, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.